Hey everyone, welcome back to Body Make and Health Management channel. Today we're tackling a topic that's close to all of us. Nutrition. Specifically, we're diving deep into the world of nutrition myths and separating fact from fiction. In today's world, we're bombarded with conflicting nutrition advice, and it's easy to get lost in what's fact and what's fiction. It seems like every day there's a new fad diet, a miracle food, or a headline that contradicts everything we thought we knew about healthy eating. It's enough to make anyone's head spin, right? Well, don't worry, I'm here to help you cut through the noise. Let's explore some common nutrition myths and uncover the truths behind a healthy diet. We'll talk about what to actually focus on so you can make informed decisions about your health. Let's get started. Chapter 1. Friend or Foe? Alright, let's talk carbs. Now I've heard it all. Carbs are evil. Carbs make you fat. But here's the thing, guys. Carbohydrates are not the enemy. In fact, they're your body's primary source of energy. Think of them as the fuel that keeps your engine running. Just like you wouldn't put the wrong type of fuel in your car, you don't want to fill your body with just any type of carb. And that's where the distinction between good carbs and not so good carbs comes in. Think about it. Your brain, your muscles, your entire body needs energy to function, and carbohydrates are what provide that energy. Especially when we're talking about physical activity, whether you're hitting the gym or just going for a walk, your body needs that readily available energy from carbohydrates. Now I know what you're thinking. But Dr. Mike, what about all the hype about low-carb diets? Well, not all carbs are created equal. It's not about eliminating carbs altogether, it's about choosing the right kind of carbs. Think of it this way. There are complex carbs and simple carbs. Complex carbs, like those found in whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, are like the premium fuel for your body. They're packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals that keep you feeling full and energized for longer. On the other hand, simple carbs, like those found in sugary drinks and processed foods, are like putting low-grade fuel in your body. They provide a quick burst of energy, but then lead to a crash, leaving you feeling sluggish and craving more. So, what's the takeaway here? Don't be afraid of carbs. Embrace the good ones, the complex carbs, and enjoy them in moderation. Think whole grains, fruits, vegetables, these are your friends. And as for those simple carbs, those sugary treats, well, a little indulgence here and there is fine, but moderation is key. Remember, a balanced diet is all about making informed choices that support your overall health and well-being. Chapter 2. The Unsaturated Truth. Let's talk fat, another nutrient that often gets a bad rap. For years we were told that eating fat makes you fat. But guess what? It's not that simple. Just like with carbs, there are good fats and not so good fats, and understanding the difference is key to a healthy diet. First, let's debunk the myth that all fats are created equal. Unsaturated fats, those found in foods like avocados, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish like salmon, are incredibly beneficial for our health. These good fats actually help our bodies absorb essential vitamins, keep our skin healthy, and even support brain function. Think about it, our brains are made up of about 60% fat. We need healthy fats to support cognitive function, memory, and even mood. So next time you hear someone say they're cutting out all fat, remind them that our brains need fat to function at their best. Now let's address the elephant in the room, weight gain. Yes, fat does contain more calories per gram than protein or carbohydrates, but that doesn't mean it automatically leads to weight gain. In fact, incorporating healthy fats into your diet can actually help you manage your weight. How, you ask? Well, healthy fats help you feel fuller for longer, which means you're less likely to overeat. They also help stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing those energy crashes that can lead to cravings and unhealthy snacking. So don't be afraid of fat. Embrace the good fats, those unsaturated fats found in plant-based foods and fatty fish. Add some avocado to your salad, sprinkle some nuts and seeds on your yogurt, or enjoy a delicious salmon dinner. Your body will thank you for it. Chapter 3. Sweet Talk. Let's talk about sugar. We all know that too much sugar is bad for us, but the myth that we need to cut out all sugar is simply not true. Just like with carbs and fats, there's a difference between naturally occurring sugars and added sugars. Think about it. Fruits are naturally sweet, right? But they're also packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. The fiber in fruits helps slow down the absorption of sugar into our bloodstream, preventing those sugar spikes and crashes. Dairy products like milk and yogurt also contain naturally occurring sugars, along with essential nutrients like calcium and protein. So when we talk about limiting sugar, we're really talking about limiting added sugars, those that are added to foods and drinks during processing. Added sugars are found in everything from sodas and fruit juices to processed snacks, and even seemingly healthy foods like yogurt and granola bars. These added sugars provide empty calories, meaning they offer no nutritional value and contribute to weight gain, inflammation, and a whole host of health problems. Now, I'm not saying you can never enjoy a sweet treat. Life is about balance, right? But it's about being mindful of the amount of added sugar you're consuming and making healthier choices whenever possible. Instead of reaching for a sugary soda, opt for water or unsweetened tea. Choose fresh fruit over fruit juice, and read food labels carefully to be aware of hidden sugars. Remember, a little bit of what you like can go a long way. Chapter 4. Fact or Fiction? Let's talk about late-night eating. We've all heard the myth that eating late at night leads to weight gain, but is there any truth to it? Well, like many things in nutrition, it's not as simple as it seems. The truth is, weight gain is about calorie balance. If you consume more calories than your body burns, regardless of when you eat them, you're likely to gain weight. So whether you eat a big meal at 6 p.m. or 10 p.m., it's the overall calorie intake that matters most. Now, I understand that some people might be more likely to overeat or make unhealthy choices late at night. Maybe you're stressed after a long day, or you're simply bored and looking for something to do. But that doesn't mean late-night eating is inherently bad. If you're hungry at night, eat. Just make sure you're making healthy choices and listening to your body's hunger cues. Instead of reaching for a bag of chips or a bowl of ice cream, opt for a lighter, more nutritious snack like a piece of fruit with nut butter, a small bowl of yogurt, or some veggies and hummus. And remember, it's not just about what you eat, but also how much you eat. Pay attention to portion sizes, even at night, and avoid mindless snacking in front of the TV. Chapter 5. Quick Fix or Long Game? Let's talk about supplements. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to think that we can just pop a pill for everything. But the truth is, supplements are not a magic bullet. They can't replace a healthy diet. Think of supplements as just that, supplements. They're meant to fill in the gaps in our diet, not replace real whole foods. Whole foods provide a complex matrix of nutrients that work synergistically together, something that supplements simply can't replicate. For example, an orange provides not only vitamin C but also fiber, potassium, and antioxidants. A vitamin C supplement, on the other hand, only provides isolated vitamin C. While it might help boost your intake of that particular nutrient, it can't provide the same benefits as eating a whole orange. Now, I'm not saying that supplements are useless. They can be helpful for certain individuals, such as pregnant women, older adults, or people with specific nutrient deficiencies. But for the general population, the best way to get the nutrients we need is through a balanced and varied diet. So before you start stocking up on supplements, take a look at your diet. Are you eating plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein? If not, focus on making gradual changes to your diet rather than relying on supplements as a quick fix. Remember, a healthy diet is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making sustainable changes that support your overall health and well-being in the long run. So there you have it, guys. We've debunked some common nutrition myths and shed some light on the truth about what you really need to eat. In conclusion, navigating through nutrition myths can be challenging, but understanding the facts helps pave the way for healthier choices. Remember, it's not about following restrictive diets or cutting out entire food groups. It's about finding a balance that works for you, listening to your body, and making informed choices that support your overall health and well-being. Remember, moderation, balance, and focusing on whole foods are the best strategies for a nutritious diet. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to Body Making Health Management for more insights and tips to help you succeed. Thanks for watching until the end, and I'll see you in the next video.